Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Guys, today we have this big red jack. It's a 12-ton version, and this thing is just awesome. I'll get to my favorite thing about it in just a minute, but guys, this thing comes in a box. It's awesome. It keeps it really compact for you. It is a 12-ton jack, so it's really powerful. It's going to do the job. It's going to lift up your big car, your small car, other equipment that you have. It's just very versatile. My favorite thing about this, guys, is that the power that it has. Like I'm just mentioning, it's way more powerful and way more easy to use than a lot of these other things. You know, these normal standard car jacks or some other, weaker. If you want to get like a 4-ton or a 6-ton, this is way more powerful, and this is going to get the job so much easier for you. If you're going to go one of these bottle jacks, I highly recommend grabbing one of these bottle jack buddies. They're incredibly useful and make it so much easier just even to use this thing. You place it right on the axle, and I'll show you how right now. All right, so there it is under the car, both the bottle jack and the bottle jack buddy. And as you can see, it does a great job of just lifting it right off the ground. My favorite thing about the bottle jack is how easy it is to get it under there, how powerful it is once you get it under there just to lift it up an inch or so. You know, the main difference, and this is one of my favorite parts, is when you have a normal car jack, you have to jack your car up like 5 or 6 inches before the tire even starts to come off the ground. When you use a bottle jack with the bottle jack buddy, that little device I just showed you, you actually just put it right to the axle. And instead of having to lift your car up 5 or 6 inches, you only have to lift your car up like an inch or so because you're right on the axle. And that's just awesome. So whether or not you have the bottle jack buddy or not, with the bottle jack buddy, it's just a little bit easier because of that, what I just explained. But if you don't have it, you just put it on a good mounting spot, lift it up, and you're good to go. It's so much easier than having to twist a normal bottle jack as well. You just use that lever and you just push it up and down until your car is lifted. In the end, both the bottle jack and the bottle jack buddy are just both really great pieces of equipment. I highly recommend both of them. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.